A question that you might already have in your mind is why it is relevant to differentiate microinsurance or inclusive insurance to what I generally call just as insurance. Is this demarcation really necessary? To answer that question, I would like to ask you to reflect on a key component of the definition of inclusive insurance, the target market to which inclusive insurance is aiming. According to the IAS definition, these are the segments who are excluded, unserved, and underserved by insurance. Now, I would like to ask you to answer the following questions in the forum and have them ready for a rich discussion in our live session. The first question is, in your country, do you think that all the population have access to insurance products that they need? The second question is, which segments of the population do you think are generally unserved and underserved by insurance? The third question is why do you think that they are unserved and underserved? And why are those reasons? Now, I want you to consider the particularities and complexities of the segments of the population that you identified. Think, for instance, about their income, their literacy levels, their financial literacy levels, their geographic proximity to the administrative centers, their access to the formal financial sector, the trust to the financial sector providers, their tenancy of land, their livelihood conditions, the access to national IDs, the way how they manage risks, the awareness about insurance, and the role that insurance plays to manage risks. Now let's think about insurance products that are designed, distributed, and delivered in your country. Do you think that the current insurance products consider all the needs? Are the current distribution channels reaching to them? Do they trust these channels? Are the current mechanisms to collect premiums and provide payouts aligned with the fact that probably they do not have access to bank accounts? Are the contracts easy to understand? Are the products considering their complexities and particularities? For instance, the fact that they don't have ID access, the informality of their activities, and the tenancy or use of property? This is tricky now. Maybe now you're having second thoughts about how accessible is insurance for some segments of the population of your country. And this is precisely the importance of this training. To realize that and explore the pathways to remove barriers and encourage access to insurance to all.